Hey guys, I'm Light. Quite some of you have been requested me making some tutorials on VIPER. I will not go too deep and will use there only my presets from my pack. Okay, first of all let's listen it and then we will start. I will show the chords and the leads how I made. Let's disable the reverb, delay, all the effects. This is I'm working on Benassi Bros remix. Let's disable the all effects right now. Okay, like so. Start with the lead. First lead layer is Shallow Waters from my lead bank. It's 38 and I haven't edited nothing, I believe, only maybe release. And there I have boosted high end quite a lot. Then I add to this same lead the OTT, def down and upward, and other I doesn't touch anything. OTT to give some extra frequencies and this. I don't know, I like to use OTT on my main stuff. Second lead. Same from my lead bank. All the lead stuff is from my lead bank. I lately use quite a lot VIPER and using my own presets. This is, we are here 106. And here I just cut out the high end because first VIPER is giving us this high end. And of course I always cut out this low end because we don't need for the leads. And for the top layer, third is perfect top layer. This is basically main lead, not main character of the lead. This is 32. There you can find actually layer any kind of these leads and get really powerful stuff. This time I tried to make more euphoric lead. Forgot about this. It's basically same EQ like I used in the second one. Then I add to the lead layer bass. It's basically layered. I love this in Bitwig I can layer. I added this hip hop punch preset and also I haven't edited anything there. Look how it gives this high end and overall really nice sound. And there's some little bit of the tweaks, a little bit of the mid highs, little bit of the mids and high boost. And for final I used this VC2A compressor. I quite like it, just 5 knobs and gives this punchy feeling. lead delay. This is bass you can find in my tutorials. I have made these leads and reverb tutorials. And for the leads, also I don't go too crazy, just first layer is 93 chords, streamers, just some little bit of the EQ, high end, cutting out this auto of 20,000 and low end, just a tiny bit of the high boost. And for second is my mainstream lead, and that's all. Nothing I don't use. And in the bass I use OTT, high boost, mid boost, downward, upward, depth, and EQ, and nothing special. And little bit of the reverb. Usually I don't use on the chords a lot of the reverb. Put together. There you go. Really easy and simple. Don't need thousands of the effects and thousands the layers. Just quite few of them and you're done. I will drop the link to the VIPER in the comments, and I will pin the comments. Okay, see you guys in next video. See you.